A strong day for financial and technology shares pushed stocks up across the board Monday. The Dow and the S&P 500 both climbed more than 1% higher, and the Nasdaq rose nearly 1.4%. Shares of Apple climbed roughly 4% and hit an intraday high after a report indicated sales of the iPhone 17 were outpacing those of the 16 in the US and China. Meanwhile, a key semiconductor index also hit a record level during Monday's trading session. Jason Brown, president of Alexis Investment Partners, says he thinks this tech-led rally has more upside, but acknowledges prices have gotten frothy.
We're trading at rich valuations. At some point, these stocks are likely to underperform. We think we're still about a year or so away from that. There's still a lot of skepticism. There's still a lot of people talking about a potential bubble, which ironically tends to put it off. But we're seeing more and more speculative frenzy. And the more you've got these sky high valuations, at least looking back historically, they've never proven justified in the past. So at some point, just beware.
Financial stocks got a lift as investors grew less fearful about regional bank credit quality. Upcoming quarterly results are expected to provide a closer read on the sector on the heels of last week's sell-off, which was driven by fears of systemic credit stress. Also boosting investor confidence was White House economic advisor Kevin Hassett, who said the federal government shutdown is likely to end this week. And in the ongoing trade skirmish between Washington and Beijing, U.S. President Donald Trump suggested easing tariffs on China if it resumes key agricultural purchases, including soybeans. Other stocks on the move included Boeing, which advanced nearly 2%. After the playmaker won approval from the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration to raise 737 MAX production to 42 planes per month. And shares of Weight Watchers surged more than 9%, following the company's announcement that it would partner with Amazon for weight loss drug delivery.